Have you ever wondered about the unseen forces shaping the digital world around us, particularly when it comes to decisions made by artificial intelligence? How do we ensure that these powerful technologies serve everyone fairly, without inadvertently perpetuating or even amplifying existing societal biases? Ethical principles address artificial intelligence bias by providing a critical framework that guides the entire lifecycle of artificial intelligence systems, from initial design and development through to their deployment and ongoing monitoring. These principles are essentially guardrails, designed to identify, mitigate, and actively prevent unfair outcomes. At its core, artificial intelligence bias refers to systematic and repeatable errors in an artificial intelligence system that produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This can happen for many reasons, such as biased training data, flawed algorithm design, or even the way a system is used. Ethical principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability directly counteract these issues. Fairness demands that artificial intelligence systems treat all individuals and groups equitably. Transparency requires understanding how and why an artificial intelligence system arrives at its decisions, making its processes discernible. Accountability means clearly assigning responsibility for the artificial intelligence system's impacts and having mechanisms to address harm. These principles serve as a fundamental moral compass, directing developers and policymakers toward responsible innovation. Translating these principles into practice involves concrete actions. To uphold fairness, developers must meticulously curate diverse and representative training data, actively looking for and correcting historical biases embedded within datasets. For transparency, it means documenting the model's design choices, its training methodology, and its intended use cases. This also includes providing clear explanations of its decisions, sometimes referred to as explainable artificial intelligence. Accountability necessitates establishing clear governance structures, defining roles and responsibilities, and implementing robust oversight mechanisms. This often involves regular audits and impact assessments to proactively identify and address potential biases before they cause significant harm. Moving beyond general guidelines, specific tools and practices have emerged from these ethical frameworks. Consider the implementation of algorithmic impact assessments, which are structured evaluations designed to foresee and address potential negative societal impacts of artificial intelligence systems before they are widely deployed. Another powerful approach is the continuous practice of bias audits, where independent experts rigorously test and validate artificial intelligence models for various forms of bias throughout their operational life. These methods are integral to building artificial intelligence, ethical by design, meaning that ethical considerations are woven into the very fabric of the system from its inception, rather than being an afterthought. This proactive approach helps to ensure that artificial intelligence solutions are not only innovative but also inherently trustworthy and equitable. Ultimately, by deeply embedding ethical principles such as fairness, transparency, and accountability into every stage of artificial intelligence development and deployment, we transform artificial intelligence from a potential source of inequity into a powerful engine for positive change. These principles empower us to build artificial intelligence systems that are not just intelligent, but also inherently just, reliable, and beneficial for all members of society, ensuring that technological progress genuinely serves human flourishing.